Sake, Ralphie.
Gus gusto kita?
Estrella, anong gusto kita? Nakanta ko na ba yan?
Mabala. Sabi ni Sweetheart, parang di ko pa ito nakakanta. Mabela. Gusto kita. Ta-na-na-na-na-na-na. Yun ba yun? Ta-na-na-na-na-na. Hindi ko pa nga nakakanta eh. Yun lang alam ko din.
MG.
Nag-request ba kick si Sweetheart?
Blue box.
Sa unang tingin agad na humaling sa nagniningning mong mga mata. Kay isang bituin na nagmula sa langit. Di ko mawari ang taglay mo tinatangi sa diyan namang nakakabighani. Di maipaliwanag ang nararamdaman. Namumukadkad ang aking ligaya sa tuwing ika'y papalapit na. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay, o para luman ika'y akin nang dadalhin sa di mo'y nasang paraiso. Palagi kitang awitan ng kundi mang di magsasawa. Di ka pababayaan, isasayaw kita hanggang sa walang hanggang. Mga gunita na laging naiisip, sumisilip ang itinakda ng mahiwaga. Liwanag na dulot mo, nagbigay sinag sa madilim kong mundo. Ibang-iba ako kapag ikaw na ang kapiling. Sumisiping ang buwan at mga bituin na para bang sumasang-ayon sa atin ng kalawakan. Namumukadkad ang aking ligaya sa tuwing ika'y papalapit na. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay, o para luman ika'y akin nang dadalhin sa di mo'y nasang paraiso. Palagi kita awitan ng kundi man di magsasawa. Di ka pababayaan, isasayaw kita hanggang sa walang hanggan.
Mga bagong papasok. Well, the time comes. Pisces, welcome back.
Para luman, kaya aking dadalhin sa di mo'y nasang paraiso. Palagi kitang awitan ng kundi mang di magsasawa. Di ka pababayaan, isasayaw kita. Mamahalin kita hanggang sa walang hanggang.
Thank you so much, sweetheart. Okay na yun.
Hazelyn! Oh my God! How are you? And are you sure you're here? Are you sure you're back? All good naman. Buti hindi mo pa dinidelete. Ayan, magandang tanong yan. Bakit di ka sumali sa Resback? Eh, wala din siya dito sa Pilipinas eh, di ba? I think, hindi i-give up ni Hazelyn ng ano. I think hindi i-give up ni Hazelyn ang kanyang current career sa Dubai. Ang kanyang current work sa Dubai. Kasi it will take her so much time or mawawala siya sa work ng matagal. Diba? And I think hindi ma-afford to lose yun ni Hazelyn yun. Hazelyn, I'm rooting for you. Congrats sa... sa inyong dalawa, yes. Stay in love. Soon, sana makapag-Dubai ako. Thank you, Hazelyn, for dropping by. Andito pa rin ako, pero sobrang chill na lang. And nakukumusta lang once in a while sa aking mga family dito. Ingat dyan, ingat palagi. Ako, kids, di mo ba ako tatanungin kung ba't di ako sumali sa Resback? Baka Resbackan ko pa sila doon. Kailan pala ano yan? Kailan Grand Eyeball? Parang mabilis lang yan, no? Tagal pa ba? Ilang grupo ba? Feeling ko mga 2 months naman. Kasi naka 3 weeks na eh, di ba? Or 3 weeks na to. Lelani! Cloud. Venison. after 2 weeks, my next round. Ah? Ano? Yung grupo na mananalo, sila na yung magkakalaban. Okay. King Fighter. Oo, yung mga natanggal, may chance ulit manalo. Yung mga grupong natalo na nila. Like yung Team Alab, lamang now, so sila mag-iwan. Tapos kukuha ulit dun sa mga natalong group. Hindi na. Oo. Ano yan eh. Avid fan. Die hard. Lahat ng season, memorize niya yung mga ano. Tapos isang group na lang yung magtutuloy-tuloy. Annalyn. RVZ. Laban ulit. Mabawasan lang isang team. Okay. So, 3 pa. 2 months pa nga yan. Julius, hello po sa mga kasama ko dyan sa baba. Hello. Aislinn, yes. Oo, maraming salamat sa pag-drop by. Mag-ingat kayo dyan palagi. I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Umalis na ikaw talaga. Alam ko nung patapos na rin yung pandemic, alam ko nakaalis na rin din agad sila, Hazelyn. Makapag-Dubai na rin agad sila. Actually, meron ako isang streamer na nakita last Monday or Sunday. Um, Kita kami bigla sa isang mall. Tapos, nakakapagkwentuhan kami regarding Kumu, regarding sa mga campaigns before, regarding sa mga nangyari sa mga streamers din. Nakakatuwa lang din na pagkwentuhan. Sabi nga namin, happy to see na yung pandemic talaga, especially Kumu, naging blessing in disguise sa maraming streamers na pumasok dito ng pandemic. And super happy to see na most of the streamers nakapag-invest, nabago yung buhay, ganyan. So, ganun yung topic namin, nakakatawa. And we realized din talaga na yung mga campaigns din talaga noon, um, it's all part of the game, of the streaming world na kasi before nagkakaroon ng parang mga online away, online parinigan, ganyan-ganyan, blah, blah, blah. So, ah, parang kung babalikan namin, kung walang ganon, wala ring thrill, wala ring fun, hindi din nakaka-excite. So, yun yung mga flavors siguro din ng na 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 naging effect ng mga campaigns dito sa Kumu. Ayun lang, wala lang, nakakatuwa lang din. Tapos, narinig ko rin story niya, sabi niya nakapag-invest din siya, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos ngayon may hinuhulugan siyang kondo, ganyan. So, nakakatuwa lang. Ayun lang, na-share ko lang. Sa palakpak naman. Kanta na tayo. Sweetheart, hindi mo ba alam kung ilan? Ikaw ang dapat nakakaalam niyan, di ako. Tatampo ko sa'yo niyan, di mo alam. Tayo na lang nandito. Tatlo na lang tayo dito. Sige na, sweetheart, ikaw na lang ulit. Asprea. Wala na si... Diyan pa ba si Chernets? Julius? Sige, wag na. Nakikinig lang yan. May ginagawa siguro si Teacher Ned. Smile in your heart. Game. Laban tayo dyan. Feeling ko may mga kinakanta tayo noon pa na hindi na natin nakakanta ulit. Hindi na natin siya na dadaanan kasi lately, eto mga last streams, meron tayong mga kinakanta na lang palagi. I had a feeling that you're holding my heart, and I know that it is true. You wouldn't let it be broken apart, Sushi, 'cause it's much too dear to you. Forever we'll be together. No one can break us apart. Thank you, Sushi.
For the love will truly be a wonderful smile in your heart. Sushi, thank you. Hi, Cash. When the night comes and I'm feeling your heart, how I feel so much more secure. You wouldn't let me close my eyes, so I can see you through and through. You're a sweet, tender lover. We are so much in love. I'm not afraid when you're far away. Just give me a smile in your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Maybe just a smile in your heart. Hi, Kay. Lani. Sushi, thank you. I'm always dreaming of being in love, but now I know that this is true. Since you came into my life, it's true love that I had found. I pray that you wouldn't leave me, whatever may come along. But if you do, I won't feel so bad. Just give me a smile in your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Maybe just a smile in your heart. Wang Xiaowei, hello. Yuan, hello po sa mga bago pasok sa sundo. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? At the best. Then happy. Give me a smile in your heart. Lenzones, I did happy. Julius, thank you, Julius. Si Julius, baka may request si Julius na kaya natin. Julius, thank you. Stowy, make it with you. Clint. Nako, sir, thank you po. Thank you, Julius. Make it with you. Pwede. Miss Gukod. $38, hello po sa inyo lahat, sa mga nandiyan po sa baba. Tanungin mo si Sweetheart. Dapat alam niya yan. Acoustic version. Hey, have you ever tried really looking for but baby knows. Sushi, thank you. Trees there for those who sleep. Abella. Love is for us to keep. And if you wonder what this song is leading to, I wanna make it with you. Read down
Mabella, thank you, fam.
I really think that we could make it, girl.
Sushi, thank you. Thank you, fam.
No, you don't know me well.
Isha abot pa, last two songs.
Every little thing only time will tell. If you believe the things that I do, then we'll see it through.
Mabella, Riga, thank you.
Love can be short or long. Love can be right or wrong. And if I chose the one I'd like to help me through,
Isha, okay lang.
I'd like to make it with you.
No problem, fam.
Baby, I know that dreams there for those who sleep. Life is for us to keep. And if I chose the one I'd like to help me through, I'd like to make it with you. I really think that we could make it, girl. I really think that we could make it, girl.
Alright. Make it with you. Make it with me. Hello, fam, sa mga bagong pasok. Hello po. Sushi Burger, thank you so much. Sir Julius, thank you. Mabel Lariga, thank you. Desi. Nakaabot si Desi, tsaka si Isha. Last two songs. I miss you, fam. Miss ko na kayo. Sino si Julius pala? Baka nag-change to ng username, ah. Abot na abot, Desi. Kakatapos lang ba ng live ng prime time? O, request na kayo. Cakes, request ka pa. Kanta tayo. Well, dami ko na nakwento kanina. O, ayan. Ongoing pa lang. O, request na. Cakes. One only for you. Ayoko, balik tayo sa binili sa grocery. Nasabi ko na, ano ba, ano pag dadagdag ko din? Disiplina nga yung kailangan. One and only for you. Sana all. Ay, ano request? Sino kaya si Julius? Kicks, i-chat mo na yung isa, Kicks. Wala ka mali-mali na naka-live pala ako. Savage. Savage. Sino yung lagi nagre-request ng When I Met You? Bago lang po ako dito sa LS nyo, sir. Apo version to. Acoustic.
There I was, an empty piece of a shell, smiling my own world without even knowing what love and life were all about. Then you came, brought me out of the shell. You gave the world to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. I love the touch of your hair. When I look in your eyes, I just know, I know I'm on to something good. And I'm sure my love for you will endure. Your love will light up my world and take all my cares away with aching part of me. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you.
RG, di pa tapos yata daw ah. Positive. Thank you, Dior Red Blue Heart. Hello. Sa mga bagong pasok pa, hello. Kay Tenabi, welcome back. Sushi Burger, maraming salamat. Magandang gabi. Sushi Burger, maraming salamat.
And I'm sure when the evening comes around, I know we'll be making love like never before. My love, who love could ask for more? You give me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You give me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling.
Pumpkin.
You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. Rika or 13 when I met you. Sir, thank you, sir. 13. Margie. Thank you, fam. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you po. Sushi Burger, maraming salamat. Thank you, thank you. Oops. Thank you po. Gold Box. Yes, request pa kayo kasi na-miss ko rin mag-karaoke dito. Alam niyo yun, through singing, nalalabas ko yung mga wow! Emmy. But in love. Okay na to? Hi, Trisha, nandiyan ka pala. Sayang naman, Jolene. Iunad natin. Kurik. It's a kurik. Aww. Aww. Your hand fits in mine like it's made just for me. But that isn't mine, it was meant to be. And I'm joining up the dots with the freckles on your cheeks, and it all makes sense to me. I know you've never loved the crinkles by your eyes and your smile. You've never loved your stomach or your thighs, the dimples in your back at the bottom of your spine. But I love them endlessly. I won't let this little thing slip out of my mouth. But if it's you, it's you. It's you they add up to. I'm in love with you. And all these little things, Savvy. You can go to bed without a cup of tea. And maybe that's the reason that you talk in your sleep. And all those conversations are the secrets that I keep. Though it makes no sense to me. No, you never love the sound of your voice on tape. You never want to know how much you weigh. You still love to squeeze into your jeans, but you're perfect to me. Sushi, thank you. I won't let this little thing slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's you. It's you they add up to. I'm in love with you. And all these little things, you'll never love yourself half as much as I love you. You never treat yourself right, darling, but I want you to. I let you know I'm here for you. Maybe you love yourself like I love you. Oh, and now just let this little thing slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's you. It's you they add up to, and I'm in love with you. And all these little things, I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's you they add up to, and I'm in love with you. All your little things.
Ben Abby, thank you so much. Sushi, thank you. Thank you so much, fam. Salamat po. Baby Reese, Gracie Crazy. Good evening po. Hello sa mga bagong pasok sa stream. Go, welcome po. Thank you so much. Sushi. Ben Abby, thank you. Ano nagkikwento? Nakwento ko na eh. But, syempre hindi na mauulit yun na kwento na. Tama ba? Tama, mali. Artistahin. Mali. Mali daw. Tabis. Busy yata si Tabis. Sinustorbo nyo naman. Frog Boy. Ralph, Dior, Richard Dean. Si Kiko daw pa naitawag. Si Kiko, inistorbo mo pa. Ikaw talaga. Kaya nga, huwag nang istorbohin. Kayo talaga. Jays. Ate She. Ate Xiao. Ate Xiao. Abot pa Ate Xiao. Last 2 songs. Maria. Miss you so much, E. Grabe naman yung may much pa. Diyan pa ba si Trisha? Trisha. Ano request ni Trisha? Angel Baby. Angel Baby. Buti nakaabot, no? Aba, syempre naman natin siya. Syempre naman. Ala eh.
I need a lover to keep me safe. Pull me from hell, bring me back again. Play me the classics, something romantic. Give him my all when I don't even have it. I always dream of a solemn face. Someone to feel like a hot little day. But now I'm in pieces, really believe it. Starting to think that I've lost all feeling. You came out the blue on a rainy night, no lie. I tell you how I almost died. Well, you're bringing me back to life. I just wanna live in this moment forever. 'Cause I'm afraid that living couldn't get any better. Starting giving up on the world forever. Until you give up heaven so we could be together. You're my angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, baby, you're my angel, angel baby. I fall in love with the little things. Counting the tattoos on your skin. Tell me a secret, baby I'll keep it. And maybe we can play house for the weekend. You came out of blue on a rainy night, no lie. I Tell you how I almost died, but you're bringing me back to life. I just wanna live in this moment forever, 'cause I'm afraid of living couldn't get any better. Starting giving up on the world forever, until the game of heaven so we could be together. You're my angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, baby, you're my angel, angel baby. Hello po sa mga bagong pasok. I just wanna live in this moment forever, 'cause I'm afraid of living couldn't get any better. Starting giving up on the world forever, until you give up heaven so we could be together. You're my angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, baby, you're my angel, angel baby, angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, baby, you're my angel, angel baby. Angel baby, maraming salamat fam. Thank you so much. Joyce, welcome to the stream, Joyce. Sa mga hindi ko nabati kanina, hello po sa mga bagong pasok at bagong labas na rin. Hello po. Thank you fam. Yes, anong topic sa baba? I love you. Sushi Burger, maraming salamat. Thank you, thank you. Ate Shao, thank you. Swaggy Boy, Ard, and wow, ba't biglang dumami? Byron. Shady, thank you. JC. Anyari. Sadie. Sadie. Hello po sa lahat ng bagong pasok. Ano po nangyari kaya? Sadie. Oo, ba't kaya? Matchaga. Ala, ano nangyari po? Sinundan si Tabis. Spotlight Trap. Wala. Lalabas lang din sila. Ikaw na ba ang keso sa akin daw? Hello po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my stream. Ako, hindi naman po. Bagong ligo lang siguro. Jean Ski. Thank you. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Na-miss namin yung ganyan. Yung marami pumapasok. Ate Show. Jam. Sobrang nakakamiss po yung ganyan talaga. You know, those were the days po talaga para sa amin dito. Salamat po. Tawa naman si Sir. Oh. Sino kaya to si Sir? May ano pala, para ano siya, parang spotlight, parang siguro ilalagay yung, parang pag nakalagay yung account mo sa unahan siguro ng Explore. Bigla rin tumaas eh. Gulat tayo, di ba? Alam nga magstay yan. Di ba? Alam magstay yan at naglampas 100. Baka magulat naman tayo lalo.
Ay. Dami nangyari, no? Well, lagi naman dami nangyari guys. Sa tagal ko dito nag-stream ulit. Positive dapat, yes. I believe positive dapat talaga. Positive is, positive outlook lang tayo dapat sa buhay. Gasti. Hi, Gasti. Mr. Calde, positive is next to positivity. Right? Heaven knows. Heaven knows what to say. Even though for right now you're so far away. I hope and I pray. Somewhere in your heart I always stay good lady. What Aru? Heaven knows. There are times when I'm lying in my bed, how I bellow and cry from this stupid game, and my eyes are like windshields on a rainy day, almost wrapped down, swelling as I keep on dipping my face in this cold hand of mine. Heaven knows how embittered I am, 'cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought that I'd trying to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? Abashaw, thank you. Sushi Burger, thank you. Margie, thank you. Drew. I'm so tired. I feel like catching 40 winks. Being up all night in this elbow room that puts me in a trance, where hopes and dreams come true. Now my lips are burning and my eyes are hurting from these fumes of making. Still I light another cigarette just to pass my time.
Heaven knows how embittered I am. 'Cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have flipped the wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought that I had strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? Ate Shaw, thank you. Margie, thank you. Ate Shaw, thank you. Thank you so much, fam. Salamat po. 400, hello po sa lahat na kasama namin dyan. Nakakamiss, no? Every time mag-stream, nakakamiss. Kasi, well, ayun nga, hindi natin actually lagi nagagawa. Kaya, ayun, nakakamiss lang. Welcome back. Welcome back ulit sa susunod na stream. Di naman. May pinagkakapisihan lang din lately, fam. So, as much as possible, gusto ko rin naman talaga mag-stream. Ano lang talaga. Trying my best. Trying my best. Rain, Gar, only you, Astrea. Kailanman na. Sad song pala yan, no? Kicks, no? Sad pala yan. Maraming salamat po sa mga sumama tonight. Yes, medyo pa-end na rin tayo. Pa-end na rin tayo talaga. Ate Elves! Saan na siya ngayon? Hinahanap mo, di mo alam lahat ng iyong gagawin. Wala siya sa piling mo. Puso ko noon, iaalay ko sa'yo lamang. Kaya't wag nang magdaramdam, pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y natalaan. Kailanman di ka masasaktan, kahit na anong mangyari tayo ay magmamahalan. At sa pagsapit ng dilim, di mawawalan ibig ko. Sino bang iniibig mo? Yung bang nanloko magkaganon. Kung ako ang pipiliin mo, pangako'y di mabibigo. Ako ay iyong. Kailanman kita masasaktan, kahit na anong mangyari, tayo ay magmamahalan. At sa pagsapit ng dilim, di mawawalay, pag-ibig ko ay tunay kailanman. Kailanman di kita masasaktan, kahit na anong mangyari, tayo ay magmamahalan. At sa pagsapit ng dilim, di mawawalay, pag-ibig ko ay tunay kailanman. Kahit na anong mangyari, tayo ay magmamahalan. At sa pagsapit ng dilim, di mawawalay, pag-ibig ko ay tunay kailanman.
Nag-wish ako for 11/11. Thank you so much. Ate Chow, thank you so much. Maraming salamat, fam. 11/11 pa rin sa akin, tabis. Hirap talaga pag di fully paid yung phone. Palitan mo na yan. Ate Chow, maraming salamat. May, how are you, May? Yes. All right. Ellen. Ate Shaw, maraming salamat. Thank you, Sushi. Si kay One Only. Thank you. Miss Charm. Oy, maganda yung leaves. Gusto ko yung leaves ngayon. Sige. Lalaban natin yung leaves. Laban. Napapanahon.
I can think of all the times you told me not to touch the line. I never thought that you would be the one. I couldn't really justify how you even thought it could be right, 'cause everything we cherish is gone. And in the end, can you tell me if it was worth the try, so I can decide? Leaves will soon grow from the bareness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmness of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really loved someone until you learn to forgive. Try as hard as I might to flee the shadows of the night. It haunts me, it makes me feel blue. How can I try to hide when every breath and every hour I still end up thinking of you. And in the end, everything we have makes it worth the fight. So I will hold on for as long. Leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. Good mix. From waves overgrown come the calmness of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. Pretty neat.
Abot na abot pa.
Leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmness of seas, and all will be alright in time. Wounds of the past will eventually heal, and all will be alright in time. All of this comes with a love that is real. All will be alright in time. 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 Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. Took the supermarket flowers from the windowsill. I threw the day old tea from the cup. Back of the photo album that you had made. Memories of a life that's been loved.
Request ni Kiko to.
Took the cushion cards and stuffed animals. Put the old ginger beer down the sink. That always told me don't you cry when you're down. But mom, there's a tear every time that I blink. Oh, I'm in pieces, it's tearing me up. But I know a heart that's broke is a heart that's been loved. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, we'll say hallelujah. You're home.
Totoo nga, kaya nag-extend.
and your nightgown's neatly in a case. John said he traveled and put his hand on my cheek and wipe a tear from the side of my face. I hope that I see the world as you did, 'cause I know a life with love is a life that's been lived. So I sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, we'll say hallelujah. You're home. That helps. Good evening, thank you. Sino yan? Hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, we'll say hallelujah. You're home. Thank you, fam. Salamat po. Louie. You're the one that never lets me sleep. To my mind, down to my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. With you here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. I am all alone without you. Minotaur. The days are dark without a glimpse of you. And now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. I miss you, fam. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. Asa ka, Louie? Thank you, May. Eileen Powell. I hear our music play. Reminds me of the things that we've been through. In my mind, I can't believe it's true. Thank you, po. But in my heart, the reality is you. I am all alone without you. The days are dark without a glimpse of you. And now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see.
Hello po sa inyo lahat.
Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the truth inside. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the truth inside.
Like that. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng dumaan. May nag-pa-spotlight na naman yata. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Ay, hello po sa inyo lahat. Ate Shaw, maraming salamat. Thank you. Alright, thank you so much. Helen, Ishe, Teacher Teen, Mavela, Libra. Sino yun? Ate Elves, maraming salamat po. Thank you. Libra, Louie, Rica, March, Kix, May, Eileen, Pretty Nix, Sir Julius, Dan Abby, Ate Elves, Ate She, I Only Love You, Sushi Burger. Maraming salamat, Ate Elves. No problem po. Maraming salamat. Hi, Zat. Sorry. Medyo maaga tayo nag-start kasi kanina. Thank you so much po sa lahat na nandiyan pa. Thank you so much sa lahat na nag-follow. Maraming salamat po. Hotel, sorry. Aga lang din nag-start. Pasensya na, pero maraming salamat. Sa inyo lahat, maraming salamat. Sana hindi na mas matagal. Sana mas maka-stream tayo. Frequently. Good night. I love you all, fam. Maraming salamat sa mga bago po namin kaibigan dyan. Thank you po sa lahat na nag-follow. See you next time.